Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reviewing blankets because every household needs blankets, and life is full of many choices of beautiful blankets. eSun brings us this video with their blankets. They're a manufacturer of blankets that makes all kinds of sizes and styles. I chose 4 to show you in this video for a close-up view of different styles they have. With their 10 designers, they design every type of blanket you can imagine. There's a full range of blankets. They have blankets for beds to brighten up a children's room, sophisticated designs to enhance your style in your household. But of course on their website, they have a whole array of styles for you to choose what you like best. I'm here to tell you about their quality and what they feel like, so you know as you buy. My favorite today is this child's blanket. It's so colorful. Every child would love this blanket. The designers of this blanket were inspired by zoos around the world. It's a whimsical look, as if you were going on a zoo venture for the day. And this blanket is more decorative than warmth. It's a cool blanket, so it's great for summertime too, or for your child to carry around as their favorite soft blankie to hold and snuggle with. This next blanket I love as a designer look in my home. It's an elegant look for a bedroom. I like it on my bed. It's great for a nap, and the texture of it is so soft. It feels like you're petting a little bunny. It is cozy and soft, yet very luxurious. I use this Grape Blanket is my best snuggle blanket. It is thick and warm for the cool days of winter. The interior of it feels really great against your skin, while the exterior is more groomed for more of a sheen and finish look. The finishings on the edges are quality stitched with a binding. The entire blanket is finished like this, so it will never fray. The red detail on the edges give it a quality look and appearance and beautiful look. This is a heavier polar fleece. eSun makes all types of blankets. This is my travel blanket. It's a medium weight fleece, which is perfect to take on an airplane. It's very lightweight and the perfect size to cover yourself up in that airline seat. Yet it's pretty enough to lay on your couch in the living room when it's a cold winter's night and you feel a chill coming on. Travel blankets are also great to throw in your suitcase. You never know when that hotel room might be just a little too chilly for you. These are multi-purpose blankets. They will look beautiful in any type of home decor you might have, whether it's your living room or on your favorite chair, so you and your family might feel just a little more cozy. eSun has a whole assortment of blankets that are very reasonably priced, so click the link and find the one you like best for your house or your friends or your presents as winter approaches. These blankets are great. Beyond home use, think about those blankets, like maybe that zoo one for an outdoor activity. Wouldn't that be fun to have a picnic on? They'd also be beautiful in your bathroom or maybe your car. Keep one in the trunk for emergencies. Coziness is the biggest factor in blankets, and every weight of these has that cozy factor. Their website will give you all kinds of choices, so you can pick out the one you like. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notification of the next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like to go on a lion hunt. If you like this video, check out my others here of other ways to decor your home.